Hello everyone, in this tutorial I am going to tell you how to use a recycler view in your project. So our final project will look something like this. We have a recycler view and in which a list of string is appear. So here string of names Raju, Syam, Ram, Bharat and so on. So let's begin our project. Now first of all create your project. In my case I create my project already. Now I am going to my activity main.xml file and go to your design interface. So first of all you need to download card view and recycler view. So after downloading these two, card view and recycler view, go to your text format of your XML and add a recycler view here. This now we are going to create a layout resource file for our items. So it is list items. Now go to text format of XML. Now use instead of relative use card view. Use HTTP of widths, and within card view I used a text view. Match parent and its text is text and its ID is uh, item text, and text size is 30 sp is more than enough, and its gravity its center. Now that's all for our design part. Go to your main activity, and here I need to create a adapter class for our recycler view. So just create a class and I name my adapter to my adapter class. So first I need to take a context as a variable, and second variable is our list. So while list, which is a list of strings. Now extend it with recycler view dot adapter, and first you need to pass your custom adapter class name, and second we are going to create my view folder class within this my adapter class. So here I have some working context. Oh sorry, here. Now everything is fine. Go to here and press alt enter, implement all three methods. Now before implementing these all three methods, we are going to create inner class my view holder. So pass view in it and simply extend the recycler view dot view holder and pass this view which you receive in your my view holder. Now go to your on create view holder. Here you can create your view. Now use layout inflator dot from this context and inflate r dot layout dot our list items, and second is parent which we are getting from this view group. Now attached to root is false, and simply return it with making a new item of our my view folder. Now here I can return our list size. So return your list size. Now go to your my view folder class and create a variable of text. Here item view dot find view by id, and our find view by id and pass text view in it, r dot id dot item text. So now this variable get the reference of this text view which we can create in our item view. Now if I will put our data in text so that it will appear on our list, so simply now with folder dot text is it dot text. This text is our variable which we was create in our myViewHolder class, and this text is simply get text or set text in Kotlin. Now list position, now that's all for our my folder. Actually we have a problem here, my sorry. Now that's all. It's simply here I use small y, and in this view holder I use capital Y, so that was the problem. Now go to your main activity and create a list which we are going to appear in our recycler view. New table list of string. Now this is our item, and secondly we are going to create our adapter, my adapter, and pass context and list which we are going to appear in our recycler view. And second recycler dot layout manager which is equal to linear layout manager. Within this pass context and second orientation, so linear layout manager dot vertical horizontal. So in our recycler view we can use our recycler view in two ways, so either we can show our data in vertical way or in horizontal way. So in my case I use vertical way. So and second and third is reverse layout which is false in my case. Now recycler dot adapter is equals to my adapter. And that's all for our coding part, and run the emulator. Now here you can see Raju, Syam, Ram, Bharat, Lakshman, Lava-Kush. Actually it is a time of Ramayana and Mahabharata, so I got these names. So here you can see Raju, Syam, Ram, Bharat, Lakshman, Lava-Kush, Arjun, Karna, Mama, Bhishma, Vidur, Krishna, and all. So that's all for this video. If you like my video, please go and subscribe my channel for